True wireless earbuds are very popular these days, with everyone looking for those wireless earphones that are affordable and have great sound quality. LG has recently released their newest top-of-the-line true wireless earbuds in the Tone Free FP9. In this video, I tell you about the top features you need to know about, including a feature I've never seen on any other earbuds before. Now, I have an Amazon link below where you can pick these up for just $129 for the next 3 weeks, which is $70 off the retail price. Now, let's do it. Up first, let's start with one of my favorites, active noise cancellation. When it comes to earbuds and really headphones in general, I always look for active noise cancellation, and I was happy to see that LG included it here on the Tone Free FP9, especially at this price point. Now, if you're unfamiliar, active noise cancellation reduces background and ambient noises so you can focus on what you're listening to. I use it all the time to reduce background noise on planes or in busy cafes. A bonus is that since it's canceling out all that ambient noise, you also don't need to turn up the volume as loud to hear your content. I'm at the point where this is a must-have feature for me, so it's awesome to see it here on the Tone Free FP9. Now, we're getting into some of the more unique features that the LG Tone Free FP9 offers, starting with whispering mode. Okay, let's say you're in public talking on the phone or on a video call and you want to say something discreetly. You open the Tone Free app to enable whispering mode on the FP9 earbuds. With whispering mode, you hold the right earbud in your hand near your mouth, allowing you to speak at a lower volume and still be heard, even if you're in a busy, noisy environment. Now, other wireless earbuds will simply turn off if you remove them, so it was cool to see that LG came up with an additional feature for when your earbud is out of your ear. The next unique feature is plug and wireless. The plug and wireless feature lets you physically connect your FP9 case to devices that don't support Bluetooth, which the case will then send the audio to your wireless earbuds. So if you're on a plane, for example, you can connect the case to the 3.5mm headphone jack on the entertainment system, and then use your FP9 earbuds to wirelessly listen to the content that the case is plugged into. This also works great for gym equipment like treadmills. You basically get a wireless experience with wired devices thanks to the plug and wireless feature. Another unique feature that you'll find here is the self-cleaning UVnano case. Yes, aside from the plug and wireless feature of the case and the charging ability of the case, it also uses UVC light, also known as germicidal UV, to kill pathogens like bacteria in the mesh of the FP9 earbuds during a powered charging cycle. In just 5 minutes, the speaker mesh is sanitized and the buds have an hour of playback power, while a full charge gives them 10 hours of playtime with an additional 14 hours of power in a fully charged case. A feature that I love seeing in headphones and that I was glad to see LG supporting here is spatial audio. The LG Tone Free FP9 earbuds use Meridian audio technology and include a built-in equalizer to get the treble and bass dialed into your individual preferences. And there's also a larger driver and diaphragm this year, resulting in even punchier bass. The star of the show for me, though, is the immersive 3D soundstage. I'm a big fan of spatial audio and surround soundtracks and music, and I think we'll be seeing more and more as new albums are released and older ones are updated with Atmos sound. The LG Tone Free FP9 work right out of the box with multi-channel audio sources like movies and music. There you have it, the LG Tone Free FP9 earbuds, which LG has set apart from the competition with a set of unique features at a great price. Hit me with any questions you have in the comments below, and I'll meet you there for further discussion. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I will catch you in the next video.